Happy Friday, LAHS USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, May 2nd, 2025. We kicked off the week after our break with the LAHS USD's PTA Council's annual Honorary Service Awards breakfast. This heartwarming tradition celebrates the incredible volunteers, educators, and staff who make a lasting impact across our district. Honorees from each of our 9 campuses were recognized, and several district leaders were also honored with honorary service awards, including Deputy Superintendent Mrs. Andrea Reed, who was honored at Tuesday night's Board of Education meeting, McGaw Principal Wendy Wood, and Executive Assistant to the Superintendent and Board of Education Tina D'Angelo. Board member Chris Forhan was also honored with the prestigious Golden Oak Award for his outstanding dedication and service to our LAHS USD community. In other district news, it was standing room only as our Griffins packed the boardroom for their annual board presentation on Tuesday night. The evening opened with a beautiful rendition of the national anthem by Sound Effects and an inspiring performance by National Grand Champion award-winning Soundtracks. Principal Krause led a recap of the 24-25 school year, followed by many celebrations, including their Hero of the Heart, Mark Hernandez, Eagle and Gold Scouts, our national award-winning song team, National Merit Scholars, and more. We also celebrated our CIF Division I Boys Basketball Champions and our Drama Department's superior ratings at the California State Thespian Festival. The night concluded with a standing ovation for Assistant Principal Cara Viena, our district, county, and now state secondary co-administrator of the year. What a night to be a Griffin. In other LAHS news, our LOSAL dance program debuted its show Unfortunate Chain of Events this week. These dancers are so incredibly talented, and if you missed the show, there is still another opportunity to see it tonight and tomorrow night at 7 p.m. in the PAC. Our Griffin Gallery this week featured a tiny art show showcasing miniature masterpieces created by our talented visual art students. Art classes had the opportunity to visit and explore the exhibit on Thursday and Friday, and students were able to enjoy the incredible talent of these student artists. On Thursday afternoon, our juniors and seniors came together to battle it out in the annual PowderPuff Football Game. What a showdown it was! In a game full of school spirit, big plays, and plenty of laughs, the seniors pulled off a win 41-14 over the juniors. In elementary news, our Weaver Whales kicked off the month of May with a celebration of Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. Our Whales celebrated almost 50 different Asian American Pacific Islander ethnic groups with a Cambodian kids dancing group, Japanese taiko performers, and an amazing performance by a local Polynesian dance studio, Nonasina Polynesia, who happens to also be a Griffin alum. At Lee Elementary, it was full steam ahead as young scientists and inventors put their projects on display at the annual STEAM Fair. Sponsored by the Los Alamitos Education Foundation, many students from levels K through 5 presented their incredibly cool projects in front of family and friends. And we'll end this week's episode of The Wrap-Up with a flashback to just before spring break when Los Alamitos High School senior Sienna Laws got a very big surprise when representatives from the Taco Bell Foundation walked into her first period class to announce she has been selected for a $25,000 Liv Moss scholarship. Sienna plans to study nursing at Texas A&M University and could not be more thankful and excited for this scholarship opportunity. And that's the wrap-up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.
And that's the wrap-up!